Hello, my name is Kimmo Kettunen and we are here at Nokia Executive Experience Center where I'm going to show you a couple of 5G demos. 5G is bringing us new network technologies that are going to enable revolutionary use cases. One key thing in 5G is low communication delay. Us engineers call it latency. And these demos are going to show you why we think that latency is a key aspect in 5G. In the first demo, this is an industrial application use case, and we have a couple of robots, then we have a camera, and then we have a mobile edge cloud server. And what this demo is doing, it's a simple task of balancing the ball using the two robots. So the robots are moving to balance the ball. Camera is looking at the ball so that we get the exact location of the ball, and the computations are done in the mobile edge cloud server. And it's a simple use case, but it illustrates very well how latency is or low delay is a key thing when things are collaborating, where there is interactivity. So these two robots need to collaborate in order to balance the ball. And if I go to the first demo, so in this demo, the communication between the elements in the system are done with 4G. So we have 100 millisecond delay in the communication. And here you can see the position of the ball. And if now I put the ball out of balance, so the robots then need to balance it back. And you can see that because there is a latency or delay in the communication, it will take some time because the robots are overcompensating. So if I do it again, you can see that especially the last movement, stopping the last piece of movement, will take some time. You can see that it's still actually having a small vibration there, and it gradually gets dampened, but especially this last part is difficult to balance. Now we switch the communication network to 5G, so the latency goes down to 1 millisecond. And if I do the same thing, it is actually balancing it very quickly. Maybe I didn't push it so hard, so I will do it again, and you can see almost instantly it is balancing the ball. And the key point is to have low delay in the communication between the robots. But 5G is not only about communication between the machines. We also have another use case where we are utilizing low latency and bring in the high gigabit data rates for communication between the humans. And if we move here, you can see that here is our 5G system. It's based on commercial Nokia AirScale radio access platform. And on top of that, we have built our 5G system that is capable of producing gigabit data rates with the 1 millisecond latency. And what we are using it for is virtual reality use case. And the key point again is interactivity. So here, in addition of having a virtual glasses and a virtual reality like use case, we are adding interaction between people. And how do we do it? We have this kind of virtual reality classroom. So we have a teacher and a student that are wearing virtual glasses, and they are in this kind of virtual reality classroom together. Here on the screen you can see two-dimensional version of that classroom, but of course the persons are really in the virtual 3D classroom. And the teacher is teaching the students about stellar constellation. So they are together making up a stellar constellation, and then the student learns what is this constellation. I don't know what this is, I'm not so good in astronomy, but now you can see that it is forming to a dog. So it's Canis major, the great dog. And here, the dog is actually approaching the student. I hope the student isn't too afraid. So these kind of applications, you will need high data rates to provide the virtual reality, but also low latency because there is interaction between the people. And these kind of use cases, we think, are the reasons why 5G needs to introduce low latency in communication. So to provide interactivity between machines for the robot, collaborative robot use case, and for the people as an example for this virtual reality classroom. So this is all for now from Nokia Executive Experience Center. Thank you for joining, and if you want any further information, please visit our website. Thank you.